Hey everyone, welcome back to my home selling system course. This is video 2. If you haven't watched video 1, hit the pause and go check it out first. You'll want to follow the series in order so that everything makes sense and you don't miss key steps that protect your home equity. Now that we talked about whether you should sell, it's time for step 2. What's your plan for selling? Before we even think about listing your home, we need to get it clear on what your next move is. Are you planning to sell and then buy your next home? Or maybe you're thinking about buying first and then selling. Do you currently have a mortgage payment on your property? And if you do, we'll need to look at those financial options because that will determine whether you can buy and then sell, or if you'll need to sell first and then buy with a contingency. And if your planning is to rent instead of buying right away, that's okay too. But it's something that we need to plan for ahead of time so that there are no surprises later. And these questions might sound small, but trust me, this is one of the most important parts of the entire selling process. You don't want to be sitting at the closing table because why? You're going to be saying, wait, where am I going to go and live next week, right? And that's why we map out this transition plan early. We'll figure out how to time your sale and your next move so that your transition is nice and smooth. It's stress-free and we have a strategy behind it. And when you work with my team, you're not doing this alone. We're gonna walk you through every step of the way from the sale of your current home to securing your next one. And we will also work with a trusted team of lenders, attorneys, home inspectors, and title companies. All people I personally work with on many successful transactions. You will be in good hands from start to finish. So before we list your home, let's sit down and go over your plan together. We'll make sure that you know your options, your numbers, your timing, because the goal here is not just to sell your home, but to set you up for the next chapter with confidence. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to prepare your home to hit the market. Everything from repair, staging, and making sure that your home stands out and attracts top offers. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker here. Let's keep your sales smart, smooth, and very good marketing. So see you in the next video, preparing your home, video 3.